8 people are going to take part in flipping a house from A to Z. We're going to teach them everything they need to know to be able to pull this off themselves outside of here. Not just knocking that wall out. This wall should be coming out as well. There's a chance to make a lot of money as well after this. You need to make it the best house on the street.
The whole house needs a rewire anyway.
The teams have been in, they have assessed the property, they've got the foundations, it's time to implement the blueprints. What we're going to do now, we're going to create a specification list. We're going to give you dates for builders. We're going to create a spreadsheet where everyone can access it on the group chat. And every time you speak to a builder, instead of just putting it in the group chat, you put it onto the spreadsheet that automatically updates every time with the notes. And then at least you've got something to hand to your builders and speak to them. So at least then they're like, you're not novices, you can have conversations correctly and stuff. So this spec sheet that's going to get printed off and handed to all of you now. This is how you should all be doing your houses going forward. Yeah. This is the level of detail that you should go through, and this is what you should be handing to your contractor. Give it to them when you meet them, walk around the house and go through it with them, and then let them take it away, because that's how you get your quotes. That's the key. It's the 20th of August today. By the 10th of September, we want a builder appointed and him paid a deposit to go in. So it's 20 days from today that we want to get this renovation started. So if everyone makes a note of that, 20 days from today. That gives plenty of time. Blueprint, specification, spec sheet, strip out sheet, how to contact builders, what the next steps are. I feel now that they have the strip out and the spec sheet, they will have more confidence when speaking to the builders or the contractors, because I feel like we threw them in the deep end. It didn't really work out. Now they will be able to move forwards with a lot more confidence. Quick pit stop, meeting the builders in an hour and a half. So we need to get back on the road. A lot of questions being asked, but let's see what happens when we get there. So Rocky, do you want to take it away? Just a quick walk around so then at least they know.
Yeah, perfect. Right. And also this wall here, want that to come out as well.
So this is Rocky and Matt's builder, and it seems to me like he saw the job, saw the house, saw everything, and he's just thought to himself, a lot of work. Up next is Sonny and James. They've got their contractor coming. Another lesson in the blueprint, Sonny and James booked their builder for 1 PM, hasn't turned up, not answering the phone. How do you stop that happening? You can't. Chris, I'll leave you to it. Seems like he can't start till December. Chris was going to try and work his magic, but then the builder says, January, new year. And we are obviously in August, and 3 more months, can't sit and wait another 3 months. Blueprint's been going on too long. People can't get together, so that's why today it's one from each team, apart from one team who's got both of them here. because if we keep waiting for people's schedules to marry up, it's not going to happen. This house has sat empty now for like 9 months. It needs to be done. It needs to be resolved. A contractor needs to be appointed. End of the day, 2 contractors turned up, 2 didn't. Did the teams put enough effort in? I don't think so. I think that I might need to intervene and get the contractor here myself. A very, very important lesson was learnt today. Do your due diligence. Make sure you speak to the builders the day before the viewing so they turn up. But they didn't listen and I'm not happy. Can you start work in September? Can I see some of your previous works as well?
It's a 3-bedroom, end of terrace.
I'm looking for someone who can start straight away. Rewire, central heating. Are these sites that I can go and visit? It's imperative that this job started straight away. But yeah, looking forward to meeting you. Thank you very much. Perfect. Okay, see you soon. Bye-bye. So, I had to take charge. I had to bring you all back in because, as you saw, 2 out of the 4 contractors turned up. I think confidence was a little bit low, actually, if I'm completely honest with you. I've got it all back in house. I've brought it all back to the table where 3 contractors will turn up next week at the property. I will show them how to speak. I will show them how I've just done what I have done and why it's important that when you are in property that you do need to know what you're doing. That's the whole point of the blueprint. It's back on track. I've sorted it. I will teach them how I sorted it and I will show them this is how you get it correct. This is just the beginning, guys. We still have the renovation process to go through. So stick around because episode 3 could have fireworks.